Welcome guys. In today's video, I will show you how to design a pro store with the free Dawn theme on Shopify. In today's video, I will show you step by step from the very beginning how to add premium sections to your free theme. And it is completely free. You will learn a lot of advanced things in today's video. So don't skip the video, watch the full video. So without any more talking, let's just jump to start. As you can see, I am now logged into the Shopify admin dashboard. Our first task is to install the theme after logging into the Shopify store. Today, we will design our store using the free Dawn theme on Shopify and bring a premium look to our store. So let's install the theme first. On the left side, you will see a button with the name of the online store. First, click on this button. Then you will scroll down a little, and after that, you will see some default free themes in Shopify, such as Dawn theme, Spotlight theme, Craft theme, Sense and Refresh theme. From here, we will install the Dawn theme. So to do this, click on this Add button. Then we have to wait for a few seconds to visible Publish button. After visible the Publish button, then we will click on this Publish button. Then again, click on this Publish button to publish the theme. We're done installing the Shopify free Dawn theme on our store. After publishing the theme, we need to customize the theme. To do this, we will click on the Customize button. After coming here, we first need to set the colors and fonts in our entire store. To do this, click on this setting icon on the left. Then click on this color. Then click on Scheme 1. The background color will be white. The text color will be black. The solid button background color will be police blue. The solid button label color will be white. The outline button color will be police blue, and the shadow color will be black. Our color addition is complete. Now we will set the font for the store. To do this, first click on this arrow icon to go back. Then close this Colors tab. Then click on this Typography tab. First, we will set the heading font. Heading font will be Cooper BT Medium. After add heading font, we will set the body font. Body font will be Harmonia. We have finished setting the colors and fonts for our entire website. Now click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will customize our header section in a way that makes it look attractive. Click on this announcement bar. First, we will change the background color and font color of this announcement section. To do this, click on this setting icon, then click on Colors. Then click on Add Scheme. Then change the background color. Background color will be police blue, and the text color will be white. This is our scheme number 6. Now we will replace Scheme 1 from the announcement section. To do this, click on this section. Then click on this Scheme 1 and add our recently created Scheme 6. Then enable social media icons to show on the desktop. Then enable auto-rotate announcements and it will be changed every 3 seconds. Then scroll down. Then click on Theme Settings and add your social media links here which you want to add. After adding your social media link, then go back and click on this Welcome to our store. Then we will add our own announcement text here. After adding, then click on this 3-dot icon, then click on Duplicate. Then go back and click on this duplicated announcement text. Then we will add our second announcement text here. After adding, click on the Save button to save your changes. Now we will add our logo and favicon for our store. So do this, click on this Settings icon, then click on Logo. Then we will add our logo and favicon here. Desktop logo width will be 220. After adding logo and favicon, then click on the Save button to save our changes. Now we will bold our header menu fonts. The header menu fonts in the default Dawn theme are very thin. Bold fonts make menu items stand out and are easier to read, especially on small screens. There is no option to bold the font in the default Dawn theme. To do this, we need to use a small code, and I will give all the code in my video description. You just need to copy and paste it into your store. To make the header menu font bold, first go to the Shopify admin dashboard, then click on this online store. Then click on this 3-dot icon. Then click on this edit code. After coming here, you will see some folders and files. If you are not familiar with coding in Shopify, then there is no need to worry. Just follow the way I will show you. First, close these files and folders. Then click on this search bar and type base.css. Then click on this base.css file and open it. Then scroll down to the bottom and copy our code and paste here. This is our little code. Using this code, we will bold the fonts of our header menu, and I will give this code in my video description and comment box. You just have to copy the code. After copying the code, I will go back to the previous tab, and I will paste it at the bottom of the base.css file. Then click on the Save button to save our changes. Now we will preview how our header font looks after making it bold. Click on this preview store, and now it looks better than before. Now we will add an auto hover effect to our header navigation menus. If you notice, whenever I hover my mouse over the shop, all the menus inside the shop are opening automatically. This is called the navigation hover effect. This is only available in premium themes. This auto hover effect can be done very easily using a small code. To do this, first click on the online store and click on this three-dot icon. Then click on this edit code. Then close all the files. Then click on this search bar and type here header.liquid. Then click on this header.liquid file and open it. After opening the header.liquid file, we will click on any white space with the mouse. Then we will press Ctrl+F together from our keyboard. Then a search bar will open in front of us. Then we will search this code in this search bar. After searching, this code will be highlighted in front of us. After this first line of the code, we will paste our small code here. And this is our small code. First, I will copy this code, then go back to our previous tab. Then after highlighted text, then after this first line code, we will paste our code here. That's it. Then click on the Save button to save our changes. Now we will preview our store to see if our hover effect is working properly. And yes, whenever we hover over it with our mouse, it automatically opens. Now we will change the default search bar. When we click on the default search bar to search for something, it shows in a much larger size and hides the header menu entirely. That looks pretty bad and unprofessional. There is no option to change the default search bar from Shopify free Dawn theme customization. To change this default search bar, we need to use some code, and I will give this code in my video description. You just need to copy and paste it into your store. To change the default search bar, first go to the previous tab, and inside this header.liquid file, search this code in this search bar. After searching, this code will be highlighted in front of us. We will replace this highlighted code with our new code. And that's the code which we will use to change the default search bar to a modern search bar. First copy this all code, then go back to our previous tab. Then delete this highlighted code first, then paste our new code here. That's it. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Then we will click on this Preview button to see if our default search bar has changed. And yes, our default search bar successfully changed. And now it looks better than before. Now we will add this hero banner section. To do this, click on the theme customization. Then we will add a slideshow section. To do this, click on this Add section. Then add this slideshow section. Before Customize Slideshow section, first delete this Image Banner section and Featured Collection section. Then click on this Slideshow section. Slide height will be adapt to first image. Then enable these auto-rotate slides and change slides every 3 seconds. Then go back. Then open this first image slide. Then upload your image banner here. Then delete this heading text. Also delete this subheading text. Then change the button label text. Then link your collection to this button. Then the desktop content position will be bottom center. Then off this show container on the desktop. Then click on the Save button to save your changes. Then click on this three-dot icon. Then click on Duplicate. Then go back. First delete this previous image slide. Then click on this duplicated slide. Then remove this image banner and upload your second image banner here. Then replace this button link. Then the desktop content position will be bottom left. Then click on this Save button to save our changes. Now, we will create such an auto image sliding section. Here you can showcase your brand new products, specific collections, best-selling products, etc. Through this, the possibility of selling your products will increase. But the problem is, you will not find this section in Shopify free Dawn theme. But don't worry, I will show you how you can make this section. For this, we have to make a section and copy and paste our code in that section. So let's see how to create this section. First, click on this online store. Then click on this three-dot icon. Then click on the edit code. Then close all this file and folders. Now we will make a section. To do this, click on the section file. Then click on Add a new section. Then select the liquid option. Then type the section name here. Section name will be image marquee. Then you will see some default code here. First, we will delete all this code from here. Then we will paste our new code here. And this is our code. And I will give this code in my video description. You just need to copy the code and paste it into your store. First, I will copy all of this code. Then go back to our previous tab. And inside this image marquee section, we will paste the code we copied. That's it. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will add it from theme customization. Then inside this section, we will add our product images for auto sliding. To do this, first click on this Exit button. Then click on Customize. Then click on this Add section. Then click on this search bar and search here Image Marquee. Then add this Image Marquee section. Now we will add our product images inside this section. Click on this first image, then upload your product image here. After uploading our product image, then you will see our product image instant auto scrolling. Now we will upload our other product images which we want to showcase. To do this, click on this arrow icon to go back. Then click on this second image. Then add your second product image here. Same way, go back and add your all products image here one by one. And here you can add your multiple products image here. After adding your all products images, then click on this image marquee. And this section is fully customizable. You can change the background color of this section. You can add a border if you want. And you can also change the color of this border. You can control the border thickness. You can set the sliding speed as you wish. If you want, you can show the sliding from both the right and left sides. You can also change image width for all devices, and lots of things you can control from this specific section. After customizing this section, then click on the Save button to save your changes. Now we will add a heading text above this image slider. Then we will add a button below this image slider. To do this, click on this Add section. Then add this rich text, then first delete this button, then delete this paragraph text also. Then click this heading text. Now write your own heading text here. Then heading size will be small. Then go back. Then click on rich text. Then top padding will be 60 pixel and bottom padding will be 12. Then go back. Then place it above the image marquee section. Now we will add a button. To do this, click on the Add section, then again, add this rich text section. Then delete this heading text and paragraph text. Then click on this button. Then change this button label text. Then link your collection to this button. Then go back. Then click on this rich text. Top padding will be 16 pixels and bottom padding will be 52 pixels. That's it. Now click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will make a category or collection section. To do this, first click on this Add section. Then add this collection list section. Here you will see 3 collections by default. We will add one more collection. Then click on this collection list. Then delete this heading text. Then the image ratio will be adapt to image. Then number of columns on the desktop will be 4. Then select these 2 columns to show on a mobile device. Now we will hide this collection name heading text. To do this, click on Custom CSS and paste our small code here. You will get the code in my video description. After hiding this heading text, then go back, then click on the first collection, then click this Select button to add your collection. Then go back and click on this second collection. Then same way, click on this Select button to add your another collection. That's it. After adding your all collection, then click on the Save button to save your changes. Now we will make this featured product section. To do this, first click on this Add section. Then add this featured collection section. Then click on this featured collection. First delete this heading text. Then click this Select button to add your collection products. Then maximum products to show will be 8. Then the image ratio will be square. Then quick add will be standard. Then enable swipe on mobile. Now we will add a heading text above this product section. To do this, first go back, then click on this Add section. Add this rich text section, then delete this button and paragraph text. Then click this heading text. Then add your heading text here. That's it. Now place it above the featured collection. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will create this marquee auto-scrolling section. This section is not available in the free Dawn theme in Shopify. To add this, we need to create a marquee section, and you have to just copy our code and paste it into your store. I have already shown you how and where to create sections. First click this three-dot icon, then click Edit Code. Then click this section, and then click this Add a New Section. Then select this liquid option, and type the file name here. File name will be marquee text. Then click this Done button. First delete this all default code, then paste our new code here, and that's the code. First copy this all code, then go back to the previous tab, then paste our code here. That's it. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Our section is created. Now we will add it from our theme customizer. To do this, click on this Add section. Then click on this search bar, then search here marquee, then add this marquee text section. Then you can change this section background color. Then if you want, you can link to your specific collection. Then you can control marquee height and font size. After customizing this setting, then we will add our announcement text here. To do this, first go back and click on this first text. Then add your own announcement text here. Also, you can add icons from here. After add your announcement text, then click on this Save button to save your changes. Now, we will make this Today's Deal Featured Collection section. We already have a Featured Collection section for t-shirts. We will duplicate this section and just replace the contents. Then we will place it below the marquee section. To do this, first click this Featured Collection section, then click this three-dot icon, then click Duplicate, then go back. Now place it below the marquee section. Then click this Featured Collection, then remove this collection and add your another product collection. Same way, duplicate the heading text and place it below the marquee section. That's it. After complete, then click on the Save button to save your changes. Now we will make this Men's Tank Tops auto-scrolling image slider section. We already have an image sliding section for new arrivals. Same way, just duplicate this section and replace with your other contents. Then place it below the Today's Deal Featured Collection. I hope you can do it by yourself. Now we will make this About Us section. To do this, first click on Add section, then add this image with text section, then add your banner image here. Then go back, then click on this image with text, then add your heading text here, then go back. Then click on this paragraph text and add your About Us description text here. Then go back and click on this button. Then add your button text here. Then link to your page which you want. That's it. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will make this Discount Hero banner section. To do this, first click on Add section. Then add this Image banner section. Then add your image banner here. Then banner height will be adapt to first image. Then go back. Then click on this image banner heading text. Then add your heading text here. Then go back. Then click on this paragraph text. Then add your description text here. Then go back and click on this button. Then add your button label text and link the button to your collection. That's it. After completing it, click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will create this Trust Badge section. This section is also not available in the free Dawn theme on Shopify. This section can only be done through premium themes, page builders, or paid apps, the upgrade plans of which are very costly. But today I will show you how to do it for free. For this, you do not have to buy anything paid. For this, you have to first create a section for the Trust Badge and paste the code given by us there. So let's see how you can create this section. First, click on this three-dot icon. Then click on the Edit Code. Now we will make a section for the Trust Badge. To do this, first click on this section file. Then click on Add a New Section. Then select the Liquid option. Then type your section name here. Section name will be Trust Badge. Then click on the Done button. Then delete all these default codes. Then we will paste our new code here, and that's the code. First copy this all code. Then go back to our previous tab and paste our code here. That's it. Now click on this Save button to save your changes. Our section is created. Now we will add it from our theme customizer. To do this, click on this Add section. Then click on this search bar and search here Trust Badge. Then add this Trust Badge section. Then click on Add Trust Badge. Then you will see that our first Trust Badge has been added. Now we will add our Trust Badge icon and text. To do this, click on Free Shipping. Then upload your icon here. Then add your Trust Badge text here. After completion, then click on the three-dot icon, then click on the duplicate. Then go back. Then click on this duplicated free shipping. Now remove this icon, then upload your second Trust Badge icon here. Same way, delete this text and add your second Trust Badge text. After complete, then again click on this three-dot icon, then duplicate this. Then the same way, just replace all the content. That's it. After adding your All Trust Badge, then click on the Save button to save your changes. Now we will make these trending gadget product featured collection sections. This product featured collection section, then this product featured collection section, and this product featured collection section is same. Just duplicate any of this section, then place it below the Trust Badge section. Then replace all the content just. That's it. I have already shown you how to create these sections. I hope you can do it. Now we will make this email sign-up form section. To do this, click on the Add section. Then add this email sign-up section. Then click on Subscribe to our emails, heading text. Then add your heading text here. Then heading size will be small. Then go back and click the subheading text. Then add your subheading text here. That's it. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Now we will make this footer section. To do this, first click on this arrow icon. Then click on the Add block. Then add this brand information block. Then again click this Add block. Then add this menu block. Then again click this Add block. Then again add this menu block. Then again click this Add block. Then add this text block. Then click this brand information block. Then off this social media icon. Then click this Edit brand information. Then scroll down a bit, then add your short description here about your brand. Then add your logo here. After completion, then click this Quick Link menu block. Then add your menu heading text here. Then remove this footer menu and add your main menu here. Then click this second Quick Link menu block. Then add your own menu heading text here. Then click the heading text block. Then add your heading text here. Then add your subtext here. After complete, then click on the Save button to save your changes. Our full store design is complete. Now we will preview our store. To do this, click on the three dots icon and click on the Preview button. And this is the final look of our store. Today we learned how to design a premium store with the Shopify free Dawn theme. I hope guys you're all enjoyed the video. No one will teach you such helpful videos for free. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more such helpful videos for free.